Hi friends, today we are going to learn about software engineering. In that, we are going to learn about software testing. First, defect testing. Testing is the type of programs are to establish the presence of system defects which affects the systems. And these are some objectives that understanding testing techniques that are geared to discover program faults, guidelines for interference testing, specific approaches to object-oriented testing, and principle of case tool support for testing. And in this topic, we are going to cover topics like defect testing, integration testing, object-oriented testing, and testing workbenches. First, the testing process of this topic is component testing. In that testing, the individual it has individual programming components which has the responsibility of component developer, and and these tests are derived from the developer experience. And integration testing is testing of group of components integrated to create a system or subsystem, and it is also has an responsibility of independent testing team, and the tests are based upon the system specification. And next is testing phases, which is the software developer to the independent testing. It is the component testing. Next it goes to the integration testings. These two types of testings considered in the testing phases. And first, the defect testing. It has this type of defect testing is has goal to discover defect in programs, and it has successful defect test, and is a test which causes a program to behave in an anomalous way, and this test shows the presence, not the absence of defects. It means if if the defect is in that software only, it shows. If the apps if any defect is not in the software, it will not show anything. And these are some testing priorities which is show a program in free from defects. However, it is exhaustive testing is impossible, but the test should exercise a system capability rather than its components, and testing old capacities is more important than testing new capabilities, and testing the typical situation is more than boundary value cases. And next is text data and test cases. The test data inputs which have been devised to test the system, means this test data are devised to test the system whether it has defects or not. And the test cases is to test the system, and it will predict what the output will come, and what the input is, and if the system, and it will happen if system operates according to its specification. And that's all.